Hello children, welcome to my channel. This is a question for class 11 of book M.L. Agarwal, class 11 with code 241 CBSE की बुक है ये 2-in-1 question है. It means in one video we'll do the solution of two questions. Question number 4 and question number 5 of exercise 6.4. Simply calculations there, always formula should be known to you. Bas. This is only the way. And calculation should be very much perfect. Otherwise, you can't do it. Question is in a GP. A3, it means third term. 24. A6 means sixth term. Is equal to 192.810. 810 find करना है. Okay. Solution. Question number 4. Okay. A3 we are given. A3 is equal to 24. It means we are given A, if A is the first term, R is the common difference, 3, A3 means 3 minus 1 is equal to 24, or we can say AR square is equal to 24. This is given to us. Okay, AR to the power, this is AR to the power 2 is equal to 24. This is given to us. A6, second A6, it means AR to the power 6 minus 1, that is equal to AR to the power 5. This is given to us 192. This is the second. These two things are given. We have to find A tenth. It means we have to find A tenth. A tenth is equal to AR to the power 9. Is equal to what? This can be calculated only if we can find the value of A and R. And with the help of these two direction, we can find the value of A and R. How? Take here. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Divided this by this. Second by first. A get cancelled. We'll get simply R to the power 5 upon R to the power 2. It means R to the power 3 simply will get. This is second upon first. Okay. Second upon first. This is A to the power R 5 upon A to the power R 2 R square is equal to 192 upon 24. A get cancelled, will simply get A cube is equal to 192 upon 24. This can be cut by 8. Dividing both these sides by 8, numerator as well as the denominator will get here 8 2 is 16, 3 8 4 is 24 upon 3. Or we can say this is 8. R cube is 8, it means R is equal to 2. This is the value of R, which we can use in order to find the value of A10 R. Now, remaining is to find the value of A. Putting either of this, we can use either this. This is the easiest one. So that putting the value of R is equal to 2 in this. AR square is equal to 24. It means A will be equal to 24 upon R square. The value of R is 2, that is 4. It means A will be equal to 6. Now, A10 can easily be obtained. This is the A10 which we have to find out the value of A10. This is to be find out how A into R to the power 9. It means A is equal to 6 into R to the power 9. It means 2 to the power 9. This is equal to A10. This is to be calculated. 6 into the power 2 to the power 9 is equal to 6 into 2 to the power 9 is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the, or we can write it or into 2, 16, 5, 2. then into 2, 4 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, then we'll get to 32 carry 3, 4 to the 8 or 3, 8 5, 512. Okay, this is 512 is equal to 8 to the power 10. It means this will be equal to 6 to the 12, carry 1, 6 1 the 6 and 1, 7, 6 5 the 30. This will be the value of A 10. This is the answer. Answer is A 10 will be equal to 3072. 8 to the power 9 is equal to 512. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 64, 32 to the 64 to the 128. Then after it is getting multiplied by 4, we'll get to the power 7. Okay? This is the value and this is the answer. Same is the question solution of question number 5th. Now question number 5th solution same hai. Nothing else. Find the number of the term in a GP whose A is equal to 1, 3 by 4 and R is equal to 2. And the last term is given. Last term is given to us. It means we have to find the total number of terms. Suppose I have the total number of the terms in the GP, so that the value of the last term will be this. So that we have to find A and R, then we can find N. We are given what we are given. First of all, we are given A is equal to 3 by 4, R is equal to 2, and also last term. Let's suppose total number of terms are N. It means last term will be, the value of last term will be 1384. Or we are given that A R to the power N minus 1 is equal to 384. A is also given to N is to be opted. This is very easy calculation only there. This is 3 by 4 into R is 2 to the power N minus 1 is equal to 384. R is to be calculated. This can be written as 2 to the power N minus 1 upon 2 to the power 2. This can be written as 2 to the power 2 is equal to 384 upon 3. That is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 3 8s are 24, 128. Or we can say this power will go upward, denominator to numerator. So then we'll get 2 to the power N minus 1 minus 3. Okay? Minus 2, sorry. Minus 2 is equal to 128. It means 2 to the power N minus 3 is equal to 128. And 128 can be written as in terms of 2 to the power 7. It means N minus 3 is equal to 7 because both the sides having the same base. This is also the power of 2 and this is also the power of 2. So that power, if base is same, it means power will be same. Will equal to each other. It means N minus 3 is equal to 7. It means N is equal to 10. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. Which term will be have the value of 384? AN and A10. This will be equal to 384. This is the answer. Okay. These are the solutions. Only calculations will be very much perfect. Thanks for watching my video and you are most welcome on my channel. I am always here with you. I am solving each and every problem related to this exercise. Question number 3 was very easy. Only simply substitution was there, so that I have not calculated that. These were the simply slight complicated. As I am going towards the new questions, a new complicated question will be arise. Okay. Keep in touch with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. Thanks for watching me. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. Okay. Thank you.